If you're wanting to create your own Kahoot game, you are going to go to the website create.kahoot.it. And I'm already signed in, but because I already have an account, but you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or if you have a Google account already, you can use that. So once I get in here, I'm going to click Create Kahoot. I want a new Kahoot. And then I can type my question. You'd put in your answer choices. I'm just going to put in simple answer choices just to save time. When you're finished, you can click Save. You can look at themes and time limits and all of that if you want to also. But I'm going to click Save. I need an answer choice first. You enter a title. The description you can leave blank, or you can put in that it's a project for your class. Continue. Then you want to share it with others if you're wanting to send it to me for a class assignment. So share it with others. You're going to hit copy. Then I can close this. Click done. And since this is a file submission assignment, you're going to have to copy or paste your link to a Word file. So I opened a Word document and I'm going to paste my link in there, and then I'm going to save it, and I will just call it 1.06 Kahoot game. Hit save. Then back to my course. You can get to your assignment one of two ways. You can go either into the class plan, or you can go into content, which is what I'm going to do. And this was the last thing I looked at, so my assignment is already up. I'm going to click on the choice board assignment and scroll down where it says submissions. And I'm going to click upload. And I'm going to find my file that I did, this 1.06 Kahoot game. Open. And then I would hit submit. And it'll say submitted successfully.